sarap na mag-workout. Babes, nasan ka na? Ready ka na ba? Hay nako, yan si Robert. Parating tulog, kalat, computer games. Babes, gising na!
Anong oras na ba?
Late na tayo! Anong oras na? Ano ka ba?
Yan si Babes. Yan ang alarm clock ko sa umaga. Parang microphone ng bibig. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Hay nako, maliligo na nga!
Good morning, baby!
Good morning, babes.
I made you
Ang
breakfast.
sweet naman. Thank you, babes. Wow, ang sarap naman ito.
Siyempre, luto ko sa iyan. Remember, that's your favorite. Huwag ka na masyado magpapagod, baby. Sexy ka na eh.
Kailangan, baby, parating mo akong pinilutuan ng mga pagkain eh.
Siyempre naman, para maging healthy ka.
Yan si babes. Sweet na, thoughtful pa. Parati niya ako na-spoiled. Tama na ngayon, kain na tayo?
Hi, babe. I'm home.
Hi, baby! Kumusta work mo?
Alam mo na. It's okay. Ang dami namin makulit na kuryente.
Oh, maupo ka muna dito.
Kakapagod.
Anong gusto mo, babes? Gusto mo ba ng juice, orange, coffee, or massage?
Massage na lang.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sige. Relax ka lang dyan.
Yan ang babes ko. Kaya mahal na mahal ko yan. Isang kiss niya lang, tsaka massage, nawawala na lahat ng pagod ko. Sarap, baby.
Sarap.
Thank you. Babe, ready ka na ba?
Ano mas gusto mo, baby? Itong pula o itong puti?
Hindi ka pa nakabihis. Ito na lang, maganda yan.
Okay.
Babe, bilisan mo. Malilate na tayo sa reservation natin eh.
Hoy, gising, babes! Okay na ba itong damit ko? Maganda na ba?
Babe, hindi naman yan yung pinakita mo sa akin kanina eh.
Eh, parang mas cute tong damit na to eh.
O sige na, pwede na yan. Late na tayo, baby.
Oh, parang masyado maikli yata. Palitan ko lang ng iba.
Magpapalit ka na naman, late na tayo. O sige na, bilisan mo na.
Sandali lang. Hi baby, I'm ready.
Finally! Ready ka na, o di ka na.
Ay, brown yung jacket mo. Pero may brown din ako.
Don't tell me magpapalit ka na naman.
Sandaling-sandali lang.
Bilisan mo, baby ah. Late na talaga tayo.
Baby, you're my everything. You all I ever wanted. We can do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. All the girls ain't ever wanted.
Wow.
This forever. I swear
Ganda
I
ng
can spend
babes
whatever
ko, ah.
I wanted to see
Okay na ba
you
to?
every time I
Let's
get
go.
around. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it, or does she give it up? Oh, when I say the same thing every single time. Oh, baby, you the best. You the best. So, baby, you the best. You the best. The best I ever had. The best I ever had. The best I ever had. Best I ever had. Say you the girl. Said every time I knock on your door, I'm more excited than I've been before. Cause baby, I can't wait to see you. Take you out and give you love, cause that's the thing that I do. Now girl, I hope you're ready to get on the floor, so I can show you what I got in store. Just for you a little later, girl, you know I ain't playing. Baby, you're my everything. You all I ever wanted. We can do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other girls ain't ever wanted. I want this forever. I swear I can spend whatever wanted. Cause she hold me down every time I hit her up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it, but does she give it up? Oh, when I say the same thing every time. Baby, you the best. You the best. Baby, you the best. You the best. The best I ever had. The best I ever had. The best I ever had. Baby, you the best. You're the best. Baby, you're the best. You're the very, very best.